Strong layouts guide attention naturally, and framing is what makes that happen. Today, how to design guided visual frames. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert a main rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your primary image inside, adjusting it carefully. Add 2 smaller frames leading toward it to create a visual path. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them individually. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral tone. Add thin connecting lines or subtle arrows with reduced opacity to guide the viewer's eye. Duplicate the main frame and place it behind with reduced opacity for depth. Use position tools